Hello, I'm Scott Randolph, Vice President of Culinary Development at IHOP Restaurants. Today we have over 1,600 restaurants worldwide, and all I want to do is say thank you for having me here today. I'm very excited to share my experiences with Cuisine Solutions and how the roasted turkey has set us above everybody else in our category of restaurants. So today we're going to share how we do our California Roasted Melt with you. Very simple. We use awesome ingredients. Very first item is multi-grain bread and clarified butter. So we want to make sure that we evenly spread the butter on the multi-grain bread. Not too heavy though, because we want to make sure it toasts evenly, but we don't want to destroy the texture of the bread. We flip that over. So our first ingredient we use to make our melt is Chihuahua cheese, which is a whole milk Mexican cheese. We evenly spread that around on the bread. Next item is our oven roasted sous vide Cuisine Solutions turkey. And why we love this product versus other products out there is it's not a deli meat. So this is our differentiator on this sandwich with all of our signature ingredients. Whole muscle turkey, sliced and cooked to perfection every single time. That's what sous vide stands for, and that's what IHOP is trying to achieve. Next we have oven roasted cherry tomatoes. The reason we use cherry tomatoes is for the little bit of extra sweetness to balance the turkey and all the fat and the cheese. And the other reason we use oven roasted tomatoes is so we don't have that high moisture content that overtakes some of the sandwiches. So we get the best of both worlds with cherry tomato and being oven roasted. And you can't have a California roasted melt without California avocados. So fresh avocados right across the top here. IHOP signature Hickory smoked bacon. So a lot of other brands like to use applewood smoked bacon. We landed on Hickory smoked bacon because we believe it brings the best flavor to all day parts. It's very old school in the breakfast world to have hickory smoked. And what makes it really cool, it makes it unique, is it adds a different flavor than a lot of our competitors that are using applewood smoked flavor on their sandwiches or melts. A little bit of mayonnaise for that little bit extra fat. A little bit of shredded cheese on top just so we get a little bit of a sticky factor. Close the sandwich, slightly press. Place it right on the panini press. A little bit of tension and let it roast. So one reason at IHOP why we like to focus on melts, and believe it or not, this is the #1 selling melt, is because in every IHOP we have close to 24 feet of melt space. That is our main cooking premise, and in order to be a chef at IHOP, you have to be melt or grill certified. So we have a long, extensive classes and courses to get pancake certified, sandwich certified, omelet certified. We are still old school. We don't do omelets in saute pans. We do them right on the flat top. And we have a few secrets to keep from tearing and whatnot. So we are griddle experts, and that's why melts work for us so well. Once the product is golden brown, we remove it from the griddle. And as you can see, with proper pressure, you get toasting all around both edges. I cooked some of our signature fries a few seconds ago. We have to use our IHOP signature blue picks. Cut the sandwich in half. You see all that wonderful color, the melty cheese, roasted tomatoes, Cuisine Solutions roasted turkey. Serve up on the plate. And there you have our California signature roasted melt. You see all the wonderful colors, the Cuisine Solutions sous vide roasted turkey, avocados, cherry roasted tomatoes, served with our signature fries. Hope you can come in and enjoy one anytime.